Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the English vocabulary lecture series. Friends, today we are going to focus on homophones, part 1. Let's see first the definition of homophone. See, the very word homophones means what? Homo means same, and phone means sound. Same sound. And it is this topic which is related with the words, and we are going to focus on those words which sound alike, means homophone, which sound alike, ज्यांचे उच्चार एकसारखे वाटतात असे शब्द म्हणजे होमोफोन. चला पाहूया डेफिनेशन. मग होमोफोन म्हणजे काय? होमोफोन्स और होमोफोन means one of two or more words pronounced alike. One of two or more words. दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा अधिक असणारे शब्द त्यांचे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन अलाइक असतात, पण दे आर डिफरंट इन मीनिंग. पण ते कुठे डिफरंट असणार आहे? त्यांच्या मीनिंगमध्ये, त्यांच्या डेरिवेशनमध्ये, म्हणजे ओरिजिन आणि स्पेलिंगमध्ये. ज्यांचा उच्चार सेम आहे पण दे हॅव डिफरंट मीनिंग, डिफरंट ओरिजिन अँड डिफरंट स्पेलिंग मीन्स such words are known as homophones. For example, see, she. ह्या शब्दांचा उच्चार जर तुम्ही पाहिलात तर एकसारखा आहे, ओके, पण त्यांचं स्पेलिंग आणि त्यांचं मीनिंग डिफरंट आहे. लेट्स सी द सेम वर्ड सी. Now these words sound alike. Sound alike means they are pronounced as same. म्हणजेच काय मग? Homophone is a group of word that is pronounced the same as another word. See. Pronunciation एकसारखं आहे किंवा सेम आहे. Second feature of homophone, though they have same sound, they differ in spelling. ह्याच्या आधीच्या स्लाइडमध्ये जे आपण पाहिलं डेफिनेशनमध्ये तेच आपण इथं विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन पाहत आहोत. इट डिफर्स इन स्पेलिंग. बघा, स्पेलिंग प्रोनाउन्सिएशन सेम आहे, सी. स्लाइड चेंज, पण एवढा फरक जाणवत नाही उच्चारामध्ये. पण डिफरंट कुठं आहे? स्पेलिंगमध्ये. SEEC, SEAC. Third feature is that a homophone also differs in meaning. त्यांचा मीनिंग डिफरंट असतो. बघा आता, डिफरंट इन मीनिंग कसं अर्थ वेगळा आहे. सी, SEEC, SEAC. The first SEEC means to look at or to view something. काहीतरी बघणे किंवा दिसणे म्हणजे सी. SEAC, लार्ज एरिया ऑफ सॉल्टी वॉटर. सॉल्ट वॉटर किंवा सॉल्टी वॉटर दोन्ही चालतात. लार्ज एरिया ऑफ सॉल्ट वॉटर और सॉल्टी वॉटर. Did you get the meaning of these two words, C and C? Yes? Okay, let's go further. One more example we have here. Right and right. RIGHT, right, means refers to right hand. Right hand. Also the same word RIGHT, right, it carries another meaning, that is correct. Yes, right it is. Yes, correct it is. Okay. Same meaning. Same pronunciation, same spelling, but different meaning. And what are such words are called? Homographs, and we are going to focus on homographs in another lecture. Another word, that is WRIT, right, which is homophone for RIGHT, right, which means to write, the activity of writing. From picture you will get the meaning of WRITE, right. See one more example of homophones, that is ate and ate. ATE, ate, which is the past form of the verb eat, EAT. Eat ह्या वर्बचा past form ate, ATE, आणि ह्याला होमोफोन EIGST, ate. Number 8. See, here we have few examples of homophones. Road, ROAD, road. Homophone for this is RODE, road. See, ROAD, road, rasta, okay, and RODE, road, past of right. Let's see picture and example. The bus drove on the bumpy road. Okay, the bus drove on the bumpy road. I rode on my tricycle. See one more example, homophone, sell, SALE, sell, and SAIL, sell. See picture and meaning. From picture you will get the meaning. There was a big sale at the store. There was a big sale at the store. And SAIL, sell. It is fun to go for a sale. Sale, सेल लागणे. ओके, तुम्ही ऐकता सेल लागलेला आहे, दॅट इज SAL इज सेल. SAIL, सेल मीन्स हियर नौका विहार. ओके, टू गो फॉर अ सेलिंग, बोट सेलिंग. ओके, लेट्स सी few more words which sound alike, that is homophones, and here we have list of homophones. I, road, road, seen, 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 side, side, soar, soar, soul, soul, hill, 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 some, stair, stair, stationary, stationary, still, still, sun, sun, hill, hill, hill. See, here you may add few more words like STEAL, steel, means चोरणे, STEEL, steel, metal, and one more word you can add here, STILL, 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 which is homophone for this. In the same way, you may even add if there is another homophone matching to any of these group of words. This is the list, simple common list of homophones we have discussed here. Let's play one activity here. You have to match the homophones with each other. And I and in, MEET, meet, MEAT, meet, and INN, in. You might have understood or you might have clicked I and in and INN, in are homophones, and here we have been matched these two homophones. The same we will do with the MEET, meet, and MEAT, meet. Same with ATE, ate, and EIGST, because this is homophone, pair of homophone. And next SAIL and SALE, cell, cell. See, here you have the homework for today. You have to circle the correct homophone. See, a hare rest with a tortoise. Now you should know the meaning of both the words, HAR, hare, and HARE, hare, which will be matching to the rest of the word, that is rest of the sentence. You have to circle the correct word. For example, I will show here you one. See, a hare rest with a tortoise. See, HAR, hare means a hare. Okay, hare. And HARE, hare means आलं का लक्षात, ससा. A hare rest with a tortoise. Remaining you have to do by your own. Just circle the correct word that will be matching to the sentence, given sentence. And this is homework for you. Complete the homework. Hope you will do. Let's read out the remaining sentences. Christopher Columbus set dash for the New World in 1492. Christopher Columbus set sail for the New World in the 1492. Which? Yes, this sail. Okay. Here the correct word, that is SAIL, sail. You have to circle this. Please dash just a moment. Please wait just a moment. Next, they started walking right away. Which right? RIGST or WRITE? Yes, RIGST, right. Many trees lose dash leaves in the winter. Many trees lose their leaves. THEIR. Butter is made, MADE, made or MAID, made? Yes, MADE, made. Butter is made from milk. He spent the whole day reading in bed. Which whole? HOLE whole or WHOLE whole? Yes, WHOLE whole. He spent the whole day reading in bed. See here, once again I have given you the same sentences with correct answers. Just go through the exercise once again and copy down the same in your notebooks. Hope you will do the given work. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you all. Have a good day.